Y'all, I'm so tired right now. I'm so tired. I do not feel like filming, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we're doing a different kind of video. For today's video, I thought I should try on everything, well not everything, most of the things that I have crocheted over the years, at least some of the stuff that I still have. A lot of the items that I did make, I did also sell, so I have a few left that I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know why I said a few, because it's actually a lot. It's actually a big ass box. I'm gonna show y'all. This, thumbnail. This is actually the box of all of the stuff that I've crocheted that I still have. So let's just honestly hop right into it. Oh my God, my AC. Is it even an Anne's Closet video if the AC doesn't click on? All right, now that we turn the AC off, let's get into a few housekeeping things, you know, per usual. Before we start the video, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure that you click the subscribe button right there, sir. Click that. And you know, let's be family. You know you want to be a part of this family. So I don't know why you're hesitating. I'm gonna just give you a second while you click that subscribe button and also click the notification button so you can be notified when I post. So I'm gonna give you a minute. Okay, that was long enough. I hope you're subscribed. Now with all of that said, we're gonna jump right into the video. For the first top, we're gonna start with the one that I have on. I made this one recently. By the time this video is up, there should be a pattern for it on my website and on my Etsy.
Hey you guys, Jade from the future here, and as I was editing this video, I didn't even realize that I would be putting up this video before I drop my website. So if you're watching this video before July 1st, my website has not dropped yet, and some of the patterns that I said would be available on my website have not dropped yet. Everything will be dropping on July 1st, 2021. So if you're watching this before July 1st, these patterns have not dropped yet. Okay? Okay.
But how cute. It's like a little ruched moment. It's giving you a little side boob, but I also have directions in the pattern so that you can cover the side boob if you don't want that. And it laces up in the back. Super simple, super easy to make, super quick to make, and cute to wear. Next up, we have this like triangle top. It's giving me Kylie Jenner. You know that crochet top that Kylie Jenner wore that everybody is trying to remake? This is my version. It's velvet, super cute, ties in the back. Full disclosure, I do not have anybody here to help me tie any of these tops. So some of them look a little loose because I can't tie it behind my back, but this is this one. I actually don't have a pattern for this one because I feel like it's been made so many times, so yeah. This little bandeau top was actually one of the first things that I ever made. It's super cute. I call it the teeny tiny tank. I actually don't have this available in my store anymore. Yeah, I don't really have much to say about this one. It's just a cute ribbed bandeau top. I no longer have this one available in my store, but maybe one day I'll make a pattern for it. This one is everybody's favorite. It is the Harry Styles dupe crop sweater that I made. Oh, I just can't wait for it to get cold again so I can go back to wearing this. How cute. Look at the detail. Check the detail.
Look at the material.
Very cute. I have a pattern for it on my Etsy and on my website. This is the first sweater I ever made. I actually forgot to put buttonholes on it, so it has no buttons, but I think it's kind of cute that way. It's cropped, houndstooth stitch. It took me like 3 months to finish because once again, it was the first sweater I ever made. So of course there were tons of mistakes, but it's so cute. This one is another one that I made pretty recently. The pattern for it should now be on my website and on my Etsy. As of this video, I don't have a name for it yet, but it's very cute. It's kind of the same concept as the first one that I had on, but the ruching doesn't go all the way down and it has a little triangle and it laces up in the back. This one is the Wrap Me Up crop top. I keep repeating that the pattern for it is on my website and my Etsy, so I'm not gonna keep saying that for every top. I'm just gonna tell you which ones don't have a pattern. So if I don't say that it doesn't have a pattern, then the pattern for it is on my Etsy and on my website. I hope that made sense. But this one is the Wrap Me Up crop top. Super cute. It could be tied like 100 different ways. You can get very creative with it. Super easy to make, very beginner friendly. Very cute. This one is another recent make. It's called the Yara crop top. It has a little keyhole moment, and in the pattern it tells you how to adjust the keyhole so you can make it bigger or smaller for your liking. And it also has size modifications so it can fit every size, every shape, every boob. Has a corset back per usual, because I make almost all of my tops with a corset back so that it can be adjustable and you can get it as tight as you want it. But yeah, this is the Yara crop top. This one is the Stella crop top. We actually made this one together on my channel. I'll put the link to the video right here. Very quick to make, very easy, great for beginners. It has a lace up back as usual. Super cute. Looks like I'm just gonna keep saying super cute for every top that I try on. So take a shot every time I say super cute. Take a shot of water if you're not 21. Water. This one is the Heartbreaker crop top. It's just a really easy, really cute tank top. It reminds me of those like scrunchy tops. You know what I'm talking about? The ones with all the texture on it. I'll put a picture here or there if I can find a picture of it. But it reminds me of one of those tops from back in the day. I've actually worn this one a lot because it's so simple. It's so easy to just throw on, especially when I have my boyfriend here to help me tie up the back, because as you can see, it's a corset back like all the others. This is another top that I finished like yesterday, as you can tell by the strings that haven't been woven in yet. But this is like a milkmaid kind of top with a puff sleeve. It's so cute. It can be worn on or off the shoulder. This one doesn't have a corset back like the others, but it ties in the front, so it's adjustable. And I also have size modifications to make the cups bigger for all my big booby ladies. But yeah, this is her. This one is the Peekaboo crop top, I think it's called. It has this like ladder detailing in the front, corset back as usual, and it's very easy to make. Very easy to make. I only use half double crochets. This one is definitely another one of my favorites. I actually never made a pattern for this because I am not sure how to make it for different sizes. But it's like a little vest situation with a tie front. It has a collar and no lace up in the back. It's so cute. I wish I could figure out how to make a pattern for it, but it's been a bit difficult. I might revisit it and see if I can figure out how to make it for all shapes and sizes, or I'll just make a pattern for just the size medium, because that's the size that I'm wearing and that's the size that I know how to make. This one is the mermaid corset top. It's made with only shell stitches. It was actually really quick to make. What do you guys think? This one isn't one of my favorites for some reason. I don't know what it is about it that it's just not my favorite, but it's still really cute though. This top is my version of the Nanu top by Simone. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure, but this is her. I made these a little bit too long, so the next one I made, I definitely shortened them, but I think it's really cute still. And I love the fact that this can be tied in like 1,000 different ways. So you can wear it over and over again, and it looks like a different top every time. Oh my God! Wow! This one is the Goddess crop top. This was actually one of the first tops that I ever made. And when I made it, I was a little bit bigger, so it's a little bit loose now, but it's still very cute. I love this like asymmetrical strap right here. It's awesome. I actually make it with a corset back now so that it can be adjustable, but the original just didn't have that. And when I say this was one of the first tops I made, this was really maybe like top number 3 that I ever made not when I learned how to crochet, but when I started crocheting clothing, to be specific, because I used to crochet, but I never used to finish anything. I never used to make clothes. I only used to make scarves because I didn't even know that you could make clothes. But when I found out that you could make clothes, this was the third top that I ever made. So that lets you know that it's actually pretty easy to make. It's all double crochet with half double crochet in the ribbing, and you just sew the strap and you're done. Now bear with me with this one. I made this set when I first started crocheting. This was the first top that I ever made, and honestly, I hate it. I mean, it kind of looks cute on camera, but it's actually really tight in the wrong places. The sleeve doesn't, like, I cannot get it to stay on my shoulder, and the sleeve is hella tight, but I do like this little split that I put at the end of the sleeve. And I also made a matching skirt. I tried to make a matching skirt. Hold on, let me put the camera down. Yeah, I tried to make a matching skirt, y'all, but what was I doing with this slit?
You're so dumb. You are really dumb, for real.
Where was I going with this slit? Like, this is just not practical. My whole kuntinani and booty would have been out. However, it's a cute concept. It's a cute concept. I might have to revisit and, you know, try to make it more practical, more wearable. This is the first outfit that I ever crocheted. What do y'all think? How can I fix this? Like, should I just make this slit a little less aggressive? Like, you know, like that? I don't know, but it's a cute concept. It was almost cute outfit. It was almost a cute outfit. It really was.
And they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Here's another skirt. Ignore the top. Pretend you don't see this top. But here's another skirt that I tried to make when I first started crocheting. Again, with the aggressive slit. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. It's not practical, but the skirt is kind of cute. It will make a really good like swimsuit cover up, you know? This might be another item that I might have to go back and revisit and just make clearly the back a little longer and the slit a little less aggressive. Now this is a little matching set I made. This one I actually really love. I haven't gotten a chance to wear it just yet. The skirt has like a lace-up detail in the back and it has ruffles at the bottom. So cute. Why haven't I worn this one yet? I'm gonna have to wear this one this weekend because this is too cute. This is too damn cute. I think I call this top the triad top, but it's really just like a bandana type top, and I have another color. Here's the other color that I have in it. I love this top. I've actually worn this top and the other top like 5 times last summer, and I will be wearing it another 5 times this summer. The top was made with all double crochet and the skirt was made with all half double crochet. Very easy to make, very cute. This is a dress that I recently made. It was supposed to be a dupe for that green backless dress that you literally see everywhere. It's so cute, low in the back, short, fitted, give you a little side boob, and I made a strap to put right here. I don't have it right now, I can't find it, but I made a strap to put right here so you can have a little bit more security on the boob area so your boobs don't go flying out the side. But this is so cute. Boom, bow, 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 bow. This one is another 2-piece set that I made, just some shorts with this strapless like corset kind of top. Laces up in the back, per usual. Love it. I actually don't like making shorts because of how detailed you have to be for your size. Like if you go 1 or 2 stitches off, the shorts will not fit. However, these shorts are everything. They are a little tight, but they still fit. I can still get them on and they still look cute. I never made a pattern for this top because it's one of those tops that, you know, I like, but I don't want to sit down and make a pattern for it just because it's so complicated to explain how I decreased right here and made this like triangle kind of thing. But one day I will make a pattern for it.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
And the last item I'll be showing you guys today is this dress that I made out of like Bernat blanket yarn. It has these straps on it that are honestly all over the place, and I would try this on, but honestly this dress does not fit me anymore. It has very, very, very little stretch to it, and it's very difficult to get on, so I'm not even gonna play myself like that. But I will put a picture of me in it when it did fit me. It was actually really cute while it lasted, but it's so heavy and so hot. Like, I don't know what season I would wear this dress in because of the thickness of this yarn. I would never wear this in the summer. I wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy, because you would probably sweat from every pore in your body with this dress on. So that was most of the items that I've crocheted over the last 4 years. I do have a ton of swimsuits that I've made as well. I'll show y'all. I have all of these swimsuits and cover-ups that I made as well, but I will not be trying on in this video because I'm tired, y'all.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
But if you guys want to see me try on all these swimsuits and cover-ups, leave me a comment below and I will record that for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe and all that good stuff. I can't really remember everything that I say at my outro because I am tired from trying on all of this stuff. My hair is now a mess and I need to go take a nap. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love y'all. Shout out to all the creators out there that do try on hauls, because I just recorded my first try on haul with all of the items that I've crocheted since I started taking crochet seriously. And y'all, I am worn out. I am worn out and I still have to clean up this mess. This is ghetto. Look at this. Look at this mess. Look at this. Wow, I have to put away all of this. All I ask is that you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure your notifications are on so that you see when I post this video, because now I have to go edit it after I clean up all this mess. And y'all, I'm tired. So please, please help me make this worth it. Please, please help me make this worth all the pain that I just went through.